Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to sort data A to Z in Excel. It is a very simple step. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now you can go at this 9 dot icon at the right side at the top and search for Sheets, or you can directly go to your Google Sheets if it is available in your home icon. Now here you will be seeing all the list of spreadsheet that you have created. Now choose the one that you want to sort the data. You can see right now I only have one spreadsheet with me. So let's go over here. Now for example, here are the name list of the people or the thing, and we want to sort it alphabetically. So now all you need to do is, you can see the option data over here. You need to click over there. Now here you can see the option create a filter. Simply click over there. Now this kind of colorful box will appear, and here you can see the filter icon. You need to click over there. And at the first you can see the option sort A to Z. Simply click over there. And now you can see that the list of name has been organized alphabetically from A to Z. If you want to organize it from Z to A, then you can simply click on this option. And now you can see that the name has been listed from Z to A. But for this video, we will go for the first one, which is sort A to Z. And now you can see that all the name has been listed alphabetically from A to Z. And this is how simply you can sort data A to Z in your Excel. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.